6 megapixels, built-in microphones, smart hybrid light, and full plug-and-play setup. Today we're setting up a complete 4K Hikvision IP surveillance system from unboxing to live mobile view. Let's dive in. The Hikvision DS7616 NXI 16-channel PoE NVR. Inside the box, you get your NVR unit, power adapter, mouse, data cables for internal hard drives, and mounting screws. Taking a look at the back, you get 16 built-in PoE ports for direct camera power and data connection, HDMI output supporting up to 4K display, VGA port, network LAN port, audio I/O, and USB ports. Now for the eyes of the system. We're unboxing two Hikvision 6MP Smart Hybrid Light IP cameras. Both of these boast impressive key features, being a megapixel Ultra HD resolution for razor-sharp clarity, the Smart Hybrid Light technology, seamlessly switching between IR night vision and bright supplemental white light when human or vehicle targets are detected. IP67 weatherproof rating on the outdoor model to easily withstand rain, dust, and harsh weather. Built-in microphone on both units so you capture clear audio alongside high-res video. Power up and NVR. First time setup. Plug in your power source, mouse, and connect an HDMI cable to your monitor. Activation. On first boot, create a strong admin password and set up your reserved email or security questions for recovery. Language and region. Select your language, date, time format, and time zone. HDD format. Go to Storage Management and click Format to prepare your hard drive for recording. Take a Cat6 Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the camera and the other straight into any PoE port on the back of the NVR. Wait about 30 seconds. The NVR automatically assigns the IP, activates the camera, and pulls up live video. Want to watch your live feed remotely on your phone? Connect a LAN cable from your home router to the LAN port on the NVR. Go to Network, Advanced Settings, Platform Access, and enable Hikvision Connect. Open the Hikvision Connect app on your phone, tap Plus, add a device, and scan the QR code right off your monitor screen. Playback, smart alerts, and live audio right on your phone from anywhere in the world. And that's how you install, configure the Hikvision PoE system online in under 4 minutes. If you found this quick guide helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.